Hello, GHL agency user. Introducing Notion from the Level Up Marketplace. Want a smarter way to organize your work? With the Notion app, you can manage projects, take notes, and collaborate, all in one flexible workspace. Customize it to fit your needs, from task tracking to knowledge management. Keep everything in sync and boost productivity effortlessly. Ready to streamline your workflow? Try Notion today. We are Go High Level's only award-winning developer partner. Stop wasting money on expensive apps like Zapier, Make, Pabbly, and N8N. We provide you with more opportunities to generate revenue by rebilling our apps to your clients. Save time with custom-made workflow solutions and push your apps to all current and future sub-accounts, making it perfect for SaaS. 100% white label support and training documentation for sub-accounts. Install the app now and join all the agencies transforming their businesses with the Level Up Marketplace.